What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be working on the YZ250. So let's get to it. In the last video, we kind of went over the bike, tore off all the plastics, gave it a good pressure washing, scrubbed her down, got a nice clean base. I got my shop assistant with me today. Tito's going to help. Let's get these plastics.
Here we go.
Just tossed the airbox back on, got a new filter in there. Let's get this plastic and seat back on. All right, so all the plastics and seat graphics, everything is back on, looking beautiful. Up next, I'm gonna take off these bar spacers, this upper clamp. I got the steering bearing kit, just came today, so we're gonna go ahead and slap that in there, get everything greased up and tight. Alright guys, so I'm probably not going to film too much of the steering stem because I'm a rookie and I need to be on YouTube watching videos, so we'll pick back up after I finish it.
You're nasty.
Whoever I bought these from on eBay, I just want to give you a shout out, bro. I know you're probably not watching, only like 12 people will probably even see this video, but this dude, professional shipper. He sent the triple clamps, everything was taped down. That way all these little pieces didn't fly out. All the bolts were in the right places. I mean, the thing comes with like all this stuff, and he secured, taped it all down. Nothing was missing. Everything was taped together in one cohesive piece. Like, bravo, bro. Up next, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the handlebars. Kobe. Pro tip, always make sure you spit on it before you insert.
That's what she said.
She's ready. Quick update. After fighting with this back tire, I finally got the last wheel bearing out, so that one's good. I already did the front wheel bearings, greased them up, threw that front tire back on, so we're gonna get this one back installed. Out with the old, maybe, in with the new. Bro, check out this tool I got. My Pop died, and he left me a bunch of his old tools, but damn, that nigga high tech with this thing. Except I think I'm going the wrong way. How the f you work this thing, Pop? Maybe flip it around, hang on. All right, wheel bearings are back in that rear tire. Got the fresh axle here, fresh nut. Got that new. Let's go ahead and lube her up because she's drier than your girl on prom night, am I right?
True story.
It is a vacuum seal double hand twist gawk combo.
All right, guys, quick update on the bike. We are finally coming down home stretch of getting all the parts and pieces back on this thing. So let's get out there today and finish her strong. Let's throw those new tusk pegs on there, looking beautiful. Some new hardware ready to go. right, guys, I got done everything I wanted to get done on that YZ250, so let's go check it out. Damn, little mama, you fine as hell. This is all dirt bike parts from last week. And here's a little before and after comparison for you.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Anyways, that's gonna be it on today's video. I'll catch you next time on this when I take it out for its first ride.